Good morning, friends. Today, Unit 7 Review Assessment. So today, you're going to need a couple worksheets here. I'm going to read the directions to you. You're going to complete as we go. There is no new information going to be needed today. So let's look at what worksheets we need. You will need your Unit 7 Quick Quiz number 3. It looks like this. It is page 325. And then on the back, friends, is your fluency check. You're going to need that worksheet, so grab that. You're also going to need the sheet that looks like this that says Monday, Tuesday. On the back, it says Wednesday, Thursday. And then the last sheet of your packet, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So those 3 sheets you're going to work through with Ms. Totsky today. I am not going to tell you any answers. I'm not going to help you at all, but I will read the directions. So once you have those 3 worksheets, you can grab a pencil and then let's continue on. Unit 7 Quick Quiz 3. Please put your name on top. And for number 1, it says write 1, 2, 3 in order from longest to shortest. And again, friends, anytime you need to stop the film, go ahead and do that. And then press play to continue. So number 1, order 1, 2, 3. Number 1 is the longest pencil. Number 2, you're going to do the same thing. Order 1, 2, 3. The number 1 goes by the stick that is the longest. Number 3 should be the shortest stick. Problem number 3, it says measure in paper clips. So if you need to stop the clip right now, the video, to grab some paper clips, please do that. All right, so hopefully you have your paper clips. Measure how long for number 3, 4, and 5. When you're done, flip it over. Here, there's not too many directions. I want you to add. So you're going to pause the clip, this video, press pause, solve these problems. And when you're done, come on back for the next set of directions. All right, hopefully you're doing the best work you can. Here at the top, it says Monday. Put your name. It says circle the longest in each box. Put an X on the shortest in each box. So you have 4 different problems here. So in this first box, circle the longest line. Then you're going to put an X on the shortest. Then go to the next box. Again, circle the longest line and put an X on the shortest. This one's a challenge, this third one, because they're not all lined up, but I think you can do it. Circle the longest, put an X on the shortest, and then do that for the last one. In the middle of your page, it says, write which one is shorter or longer than the other. So here it says 1, so this arrow here is blank then 3. So you're comparing 1 to 3. Is 1 shorter than 3 or longer than 3? And you're going to actually write those words, shorter or longer. Then you're going to look at number 3. Is 3 shorter than 2 or longer? Write that word. And then do that for the last one. 2 is blank, then 1. Look at number 2. Is it shorter than number 1 Or is number 2 longer than number 1? And then on the bottom, it says color all the circles and squares. So go through. If you want to color the circles a certain color, do that. If you want to color all the squares a certain color, you can do that. And then you're going to count and tell me how many circles are there. And then count and tell me how many squares there are. So if you need crayons or a marker, please pause your film. Again, you can pause at any time. Flip it on over. Here it says write the missing numbers to 30. So you start at 0, fill in the missing number. Here you have a missing number and then 13. Keep going all the way to 30. On the bottom it says add the dots together. If you don't need to count by ones, that'd be awesome. Just write the amount on the line. When you're done with that sheet, going on to our last worksheet. It says circle the tallest in each box. So looking here, you have 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 boxes on top. Just like your last worksheet, this time we have people. Circle the tallest person, put an X on the shortest person in each box. Then compare these ice cream cones. 1 is blank, then 3. Is it shorter than 3 or taller than 3? Do that for all of them. 3 is blank, then 2, and 2 is blank, then 1. Then on the bottom, very similar to the last worksheet, this time you're going to color all the triangles and all the rectangles. And then tell me how many triangles are there and how many rectangles are there. Last worksheet on the back. This top one, you're going to write the missing numbers all the way to 60. All the way to 60. Please do both boxes all the way to 60. There's different numbers missing. And then on the bottom, it says add more circles to make the number sentence true. So I will show you the first one here. It's an example. It says 3 plus 1 is 4. Well, right here, they only had 3 dots drawn. They had to draw 1 more. Here, you have 7 dots drawn. You need to draw 2 more dots to show 9. Okay, so finish that up. That is all you're doing today. When you're done with both of those activities, so all 3 worksheets, I want you to send a picture of everything to Miss Totsky. And you know what? Today, if you want to do 10 minutes of math fact practice, you can, but you do not have to. All right. Great job in Unit 7. Next week, we're going to start a brand new unit. I want you to have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.